Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to sign up for ChatGPT. On your computer, open a browser and type here ChatGPT and then open this first URL. Click on Try ChatGPT and to sign up or create a new account, click on Sign Up. Enter here your email address. Also, you can sign up with your Google account or your Microsoft account from these two options. So I'm gonna entering my email address here and clicking on Continue. And enter here a strong password for your ChatGPT account. And click on Continue. And now we need to verify our email address. So open your Gmail and here you'll get this email from OpenAI. So click on Verify Email Address. Click on Verify You Are Human. And here you can see my email has been successfully verified. And now I'm gonna click on Try ChatGPT again and clicking on Login. And now give your account email address and click on Continue. And enter here your password and click on Continue. And as you can see, I've successfully created my ChatGPT account. So that's how you can do it. If this video will help you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.